Today I'm taking a look at the ULIBERMAGNET white magnetic camera mount. So you can see that this is made up of 6 magnets, and those are plenty strong. So we got a ball head. It looks like we've got a plastic clamp locking that in place and a little thumb bolt. So the nice thing about this is that the overall package is nice and small, so I can fit this into areas where I would not be able to fit otherwise larger magnets. We do have our 1/4 thread there at the top, and we got our little thumb nut so that we can lock that down no matter what orientation the camera is in. It also has a rubber pad here on the top so that that can lock against the camera. Now if I grab this guy and spin it, it does not appear to intentionally spin, but we can loosen that up so that we can remove that from our magnet. So if we wanted to, we could mount our camera directly to the magnet and make that an even tighter package. This does have a rubber coating on the bottom, so you're not going to be scratching up anything you're going to be putting this on. Now, because this is a 1/4-20, if your camera has a 1/4-20 mount on the bottom, we can just lock it directly to it. But if you have a phone or something like that, you'll need to find some way of adapting that. These little spring clamps are usually a good choice. So yeah, nice strong magnet. I love that it's actually on a ball head, so we can swivel that guy around depending on what kind of an orientation we need. So we can throw that up more like that if we wanted to. Overall, very nice little camera mount.